Hey guys, in this one I'm going to draw Blink from Stumbleguys, and I'm going to start with the rounded shape for Blink's head. Then I'm going to put on the arm that looks this way, coming around. Don't forget the little thumb. And around this way. It's been a while since I've done some drawing, so hopefully it turns out all good. Don't forget that because it's looking that way, we've got a slightly different look to this Stumbleguys character. And we're going to bring a line down here, looking straight at this shape here, and then it comes up and around, and then this one sort of looking more side on. Bring that around like so, and then back up and around into there like that. Now we're going to put on some cool patterns. Let's put on these, we call them thongs in Australia, or I know they're referred to as flip-flops elsewhere. You might have another name for them in your country, but it could be, we also call them slides if they're not. But there we go, we've got some cool shoes on, and then we'll put these patterns on now. And then we've got some other patterns coming over. And around through there, there's a pattern. This one comes up into the middle, comes back into the middle like so. We've got a cool love heart around like this. There's the love heart. Try and keep these all pretty similar sort of thickness. And we've got another little cool pattern coming up there. You can see a little one coming up there. Curve that around to show it's rounded on that way, and then this one comes around like that, like a little wristband. And we've got some patterns coming down over the shoulders. This one's going to come around like so, down over the shoulder. Now we've got the face, so we're going to start here, and we're going to bring this one all the way around, up and around, like so, and bring that one around, like the letter C. And this is almost pretty much the reverse of what we just did. Bring that around, bring it back up. Okay, now we've got a straight line here, like that. Then we've got this cool shape for the other eye. And then we've got a smile. Just going to go around him in a thicker marker.